Hi guys, it's Jana and today I have an unboxing. This is from my friend Myra here in YouTube. Her name is just Myra and I will leave her info down below and a link up here. So let's see what she got me, you guys. I cut the box open already so I don't show her address, and let's see what's inside here. So I have a card. Let's see what she got me. Wow, so pretty. I love this. So cute. I will read the card. Hi Jana, sending you these plants, hoping to put a smile on your face. I don't know if you have this, but if you have this already, then it gives you double happiness. Ah, and she has 3 plants listed in here. Love, Myra. Oh, Myra, you're so sweet. Let me see what she got me, you guys. So she have a list here: Sansevieria, Whitney, parallel peperomia, and a cactus. So let's see. I don't think I have this, what she wrote down here. Let me see. Ooh, it's a big plant. I'm so excited, Myra. What? Oh my goodness, Myra. Look at how pretty this is. Guys, look. Totally don't have this one. Oh my goodness. Myra, thank you so much. So what is this called? Cactus with, oh, I think the decorative flower, but the flower is gone. So this is so cool, you guys. Myra, this is so cute. I can't wait to see when it blooms. Oh, how cute. Yeah, I know. Some plants where I go to cactus like Home Depot on Lowe's, they put like a decorative flower on it, and I can't wait to see the real flower on this. Thank you, Myra. Look at how pretty this is. Wow, that's so cool. So I cannot wait to transfer this in a nice bowl with my other cactus. I have cactus that I got from what you call that, Florida cactus, and I know I picked up a lot, and I don't even have this one. This is so beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. It has that little baby, and Myra, you gave me a big cactus. Oh my goodness, so cute. I'm in love with cactus, you guys. I'm into cactus now. I started to love to collect them, enjoy having them around. Oh, thank you so much, Myra. Let me put this on here and see the next one. I love it. Let me show you guys. This is probably the very close-up view of this beautiful cactus. Look at how pretty that thing is. Beautiful color too. Yeah, this is probably the biggest cactus I have. Because all my other cactus are so tiny, so this is probably the biggest that I have. So let's go here. Put this inside. Yeah, I did the video in here outside because it's quiet. My kids are watching TV. It's loud inside. So let's see what this is. And I love doing it out here too. This is, oh my goodness. Yeah, it's bright out here. Wow. So this is, oh, it's still wet. Good job, Myra. You packed it so good. So what is this? Sansevieria, Whitney. Oh, you know me too much. I love Sansevieria, guys. Look at how pretty this is. Totally don't have this one. Oh, Myra, thank you so much. Look at this. 3 leaves, guys. The baby leaf is about to come out. And look at the pretty leaf on this. Look at the texture right here. Wow, so cute. I'm in love with Sansevieria, you guys. Look at how beautiful this is. I hope the lighting could tell you how pretty this is. It's late now, it's about for the sun to set, but look at this. I think you could see too how beautiful the texture and the color of the edges of its leaf is so pretty. Wow, thank you so much, Myra. And your wrapping is perfect. It's still wet and moist in this one. So awesome. So awesome. Beautiful. This next one. Oh, next time I'm gonna send plants. I'm gonna wrap it like this way too. Oh my goodness, I don't have this. Totally don't have one like this. I know I have the watermelon one, but this one I don't. And I was gonna buy one like this, but I couldn't find it anywhere yet. Oh my goodness, Myra, thank you so much. I love this. This is the parallel peperomia. Oh my goodness, look at it. Oh my goodness, Myra, your plants are so healthy. And from that far from you, traveling here in Florida and come out like this, wow, that's beautiful. I think when I sent her my plants, I think I wrapped it too much that it doesn't have air on that plant. So I learned my lesson. Next time I'm gonna send you my plants, I'm gonna do it this way, because your plants that came are looking so awesome and healthy. Look at how pretty this is. Wow, look at the texture, you guys. Parallel peperomia. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so pretty. So beautiful. Thank you so much, Myra. You gave me 3 plants. So awesome. So pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at how beautiful the leaf. I'm gonna show you guys close up of this leaf. Okay, right here. Let me see. The close up on this beautiful leaf, and the back of its leaf is so pretty. See that over here? So pretty. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. It kind of like the watermelon. And look at the beautiful texture. I'm probably taking forever because I'm just appreciating so much of this beautiful plant. You guys, look at how cool. Let me see the lighting so I can show you better. Here's the good lighting. Okay, here you can see the baby leaves. So cute. And it is growing, guys. Look at that. That one is sprouting. It's sprouting. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness. So cool, you guys. So pretty. Oh, thank you so much, Myra. Okay. I'm taking forever showing you this. Oh my god, look at this, you guys. I am so happy. Thank you so much, Myra. Look at the beautiful Sansevieria with me, the parallel peperomia, and this cactus. So cute. These are all the 3 plants that my friend sent me, and I will leave her link down below so you can check her out, you guys. She showed the video that when she packed this beautiful plant, she packed a lot of plants that day for her other friends, and I didn't know which one I'm getting, and I'm so excited to get into the mail today to see what I have. And this is the plants I got, you guys. What a surprise. So cool, you guys. Look at how pretty. Thank you so much, Myra. You guys, check out her channel because she has some beautiful houseplants collection, and she inspired me in collecting houseplants. Seeing her video makes me want to collect more too. She's so sweet and I love her. So please check out Myra. She's awesome. The birds are so loud. Okay, the sandhill cranes. Okay guys, my camera just died, so to continue, check out my friend Myra here in YouTube at Just Myra, and I will leave her info down below and a link up here. And thank you so much, Myra. Again, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you. I'm so happy to have this new collection that I don't have. This tree, I don't have it in my collection at all. Thank you so much. You totally put a smile in my face and heart. Thank you so much. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and check out my friend Myra at Just Myra. Alright, you guys, thank you and happy planting. I'm so happy right now. I will be so happy planting today. Alright guys, bye bye.